I'm going to be updating my trading computer setup from this to this. I've been using these 4-screen trading monitor setup for over 3 years now, and I think it's time for a refresh up here. Also, I want to mount this PC tower on the floor to under my desk and finally deal with this mess of cables down here. This is the infamous cable graveyard, where all the electronics and tech come to die after I use them. My new trading monitors are going to be two 2021 LG 38-inch curved ultra-wide monitors. Special thanks to LG for gifting me 2 of these monitors to try. But they really should have also gifted me a technician to help me set this up. Because if you've been following my channel for a while, you would know that I'm a grandma, okay? I don't know any of these technical computer stuff. Hey, I said I know how to trade. I never said I know computers. Thankfully, I have a friend who is much smarter and more tech savvy than me, Steven.
Hey guys.
Are you ready to set up this monitor for me? With me?
Sure.
Now we're going to set up the new monitors and stack them vertically, install a cable management system, and mount the CPU tower below my desk. For the bottom monitor, I decided to use the original one-click stand that comes with the package. The mount is very easy to install, just a simple click at the back and it's done. No other tools required. This mount is also very flexible and its height and tilt adjustable. As for the top monitor, I decided to go with a Vivo extra tall vertical mount that I purchased from Amazon. My previous 4 monitors were also set up with a Vivo quad mount. It had some alignment issues that really triggered my OCD, but nonetheless the mount was extremely sturdy, so I was happy to repurchase from them again. This Vivo extra tall mount was originally made for 2 monitors stacked vertically. But since the bottom monitor is going to sit on the LG mount, I removed the unused arm at the bottom. And of course, this LG ultra-wide curved monitor is VESA mount compatible as well.
Shay, can you help?
What? Now it's time to install the CPU mount for my PC tower under the desk. So after a lot of research, I purchased this heavy-duty CPU mount from Prime Cables. I used some 3M double-sided tape to attach a power strip and cable tray near the back of the table. Now all the power cords can be plugged into the outlet under the desk. This way I can finally hide all the messy wires from my wire graveyard before. Everything stays very clean and hidden, whether my standing desk is adjusted high or low. This process took a while to get it right, but I'm very happy with the result. And this is my new trading computer setup. And this is my new trading computer monitor setup. So basically, I went from having 4 24-inch monitors to now having only 2 38-inch ultra-wides, with 2 LG 38-inch curved ultra-wide monitors that's stacked on a Vivo vertical mount. So that means I'm going to make a lot less money now. Because we all know the more monitors you have, the more money you're going to make in day trading. Okay, that's not true. But seriously though, there is a huge edge in having bigger screen real estate and be able to monitor multiple stocks and multiple time frames at the same time when you are day trading. And this will be especially true when you are trading sector momentum hypes and be able to monitor all the movements of the leaders and the followers and track all the sentiment across the sector. This is extremely important if you're day trading these momentum stocks. And these two 38-inch curved ultra-wide monitors from LG allow me to do so. With 21:9 aspect ratio, slim bezel edges on 3 sides, and continuous screen real estate, I'm able to monitor up to 8 stocks on one screen on the top with multiple time frames, the daily chart, the intraday time frames, as well as all the major indices. And then at the bottom over here, I have room for my trading execution platform with 4 stocks, 4 montages, 8 stock charts, and all the order management windows. And from there, I can easily split my display to fit my research tools like Newswire, Scanner, and of course, my very own Humble Trader Academy on Discord. This is actually my first time using ultra-wide curved monitors, so I was a little bit worried about whether the curve would distort the visuals too much on the screen. However, I was pleasantly surprised that the curves on these monitors are very subtle and they fill up my peripheral vision nicely. Besides the extra ultra-wide screen real estate, the monitors are also height and tilt adjustable. While I only connect the monitors to my PC tower normally, they also come with multiple inputs at the back and support USB Type-C with laptop connections. Complete with this trading setup update is the under-the-desk CPU mount. Now my PC tower can rise higher or lower with my standing desk, which provides a more organized look, and now I can clean the floor easily, or pretend to do so. And my previously hideous cable graveyard is now gone, with a much cleaner cable management system under the table as well. I will list out all the links to my LG monitors, the computer parts, the CPU mount, and cable management system down below in the description. Again, thank you LG for gifting me these monitors to enhance my trading experience. And of course, special thanks to my friend Steven for updating this computer setup for me, with me. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below what kind of monitor setup do you have for trading. Do you use multiple screens, curved or flat monitors? And if you have any more tips on cable management, feel free to share with everyone below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I'm the Humble Trader, and I will see you guys next time.